Okay, I was having a problem with my spray nozzle on this side, the driver's side, but the passenger side was working just fine. Okay, my package came in today. Take a look at it. Okay, my part came in today. It is a genuine OEM Ford windshield wiper washer nozzle spray jet. Okay, I got it on eBay. It was like $8.69. Okay, and here it is right here. I've been having some problem with my spray nozzle, so I'm getting ready to put it on. Okay, the way mine works is it comes in on the passenger side over here, comes in through here, comes in from the passenger side right here, and runs all the way through over to the driver's side. Okay, this one on this side is the one that's been acting up since it really comes from that direction over there. This one right here doesn't seems to be acting up, so I'm trying to match up the spray nozzles. It looks like they're the same, so I'm going to change it out and see how well it works. The first thing I need to do is pull all these little things off like that. They just pop right out. You can use a flathead screwdriver just like that. Make sure you don't lose them, or you can use a flathead screwdriver or a pair of wire pliers will work to get it off. Okay, this shit right here will come right down just like that. Lay it right over the top of the engine. It's not gonna hurt nothing. And got that one on this side. This one on this side is the one that's leaking, so I'll just pop it out and pop the new one in. Okay, the way these work is that they push in at the bottom. You just push it in with your fingers at the bottom, and then it'll snap in and snap out. Okay, that's the new one. Got this old one right here, so works the same way. Okay, it's got 3 little tabs, one on each side and one right here. And you got to get a flathead screwdriver to push that in. At the same time you're pushing these on the side in, and it'll pop right out. Okay, it popped right out. I'm gonna match it up with the new one. I think it's the same exact thing. This one right here. They both look alike. I think this one must be kind of jammed up or something. Might have something in it, but the water's not coming out. So, okay. Here's both of them right here. Go ahead and put the new one in right here. Okay, and the way this works, same way I put it in, comes out. Okay, you put it in like that, with the sprayer facing the windshield like that, and it snaps in just like that. Probably have to just snap it in from the bottom like this, and there it goes. It pops right in just like that. Okay, and here's the other part that it was attached to. So all you do is just put it back together. I think I had this part right here going in like that. And just screw that in just like that, and turn it sideways like that. This slides in like that, but I had a had one of these right here going on the inside right here like that. So you go ahead and slide it in just like that, and just go ahead and tighten it down just like that, and that'll be it. Okay, I tightened it down with the screwdriver like that. It's good and tight. So now I just need to test it and see how well it works. Okay, seems like it's working pretty good. Okay, I done put everything back together, so I'm gonna try to test it now and see what it's gonna do.